This video tutorial will help to develop technology proficiencies within Ifninity. Specific skills covered in this video include retrieving your password, adding or showing tasks, printing class information or picture maps, exporting class lists to Exam or Excel, searching for students, and resetting student Ifninity passwords. To access Ifninity, launch Internet Explorer. By default, you will be taken to the District Home Staff page. Click Start next to Ifninity to begin using it. You will be brought to a login screen. Type in your username and password credentials provided to you by the district. If you have forgotten your password, this is where you retrieve it. Simply click on the Forgot Your Username or Password to have it sent to you. You will be prompted with an email address window. Enter your email address and click Send. Return to your email to retrieve your password. Then return to Ifninity and reattempt to log in. Once you've logged into Ifninity, you will see the various tasks that you can perform on the home screen or task panel. This screen can be customized to show the tasks that you prefer to have visible. To remove a task from the home screen, simply click on the Hide button to the right of the task you no longer want visible. To add a task to the home screen of Ifninity, click on the Add button. This will show you all of the possible tasks in Ifninity. Scroll down to view all of the tasks. Check each task that you want added to the task panel of the home screen and then click OK. These tasks will now appear on your task panel. If you want to perform a task that is not on your task panel, but you do not want it added to the task panel, click on the Show All button. Similar to the Add button, the Show All button will show you all of the tasks possible in Ifninity. However, instead of a box in front of the task, there will now be a Start button to initiate the task. Just like the task panel on the home screen of Ifninity, select the task you want to run. Printing class information or picture maps. Depending upon how you have your task panel customized on your home screen of Ifninity, you may or may not have this task visible. If it is, simply click Start next to Print My Classroom Information. If it isn't, remember to go to the Show All Tasks. You will find it in the Classroom Teacher category. The following screen will appear. Scroll down until you see the Class List Roster and Picture Map area. Place a check mark in the box or boxes you want to print and return to the top and click Next. Your entire schedule will appear. Select each class that you want to have printed and select Print. A PDF preview of your class lists and picture maps will appear. Scroll through them to make sure that you have everything you want using the up and down arrows or the roller on your mouse. Click the print icon, strike Ctrl and the P on your keyboard, or select File and Print from the menu options in order to print your information. This will bring up your printing menu options. The print menu that appears may be quite large and fill your entire screen, eliminating the print button at the bottom of the page. If this happens, simply make sure that you select all of your printing properties, the appropriate printer, and hit Enter on your keyboard. Exporting class lists to Exam or Excel. From the home screen of Ifninity, click on Start next to My Classes from the task panel. A list of your classes will appear. Select the class you want to export to Exam or Excel by clicking on the Details button. A screen with all of your students, pictures, last name, first name, ID, and grade will appear, along with the following menu options: Export to Excel and Export to Exam. Click on whichever option you want to initiate. I'm going to click on Export to Excel to begin the export. If you want to work with the file prior to saving it, click Open. If you don't, simply click Save. Clicking the drop-down arrow will give you Save, Save As, and Save and Open options as well. If you elect to export to exam, the following menu option appears. Create a description for this group of students. For example, 2013, 2014, semester 1, hour 1, and then click the Next button. A screen notifying you of a successful export will appear, and I don't want to follow through with that because I am working with a teacher's account. Searching for students. There are two ways to search for students in Ifninity. The fastest way is to simply type in their last name or part of it in the search window and strike Enter on your keyboard. Students matching the search criteria will appear. Click on Details to the right of the student you're searching for. Click Close to return to the home screen of Ifninity. If you don't remember a student's last name, you can also search by other criteria. You can use the student's ID, first name, etc. Find Student Search on your task panel, and again, remember, if it's not there, go to Show All Tasks. Again, you can do parts of the last name. If you know the first name, click Search, and now you can find the student that way. Resetting student Ifninity passwords. In order to reset a student's Ifninity password, find the student, task category, and student password reset. If it's not on your home screen, use the Show All feature, find the student task category, and student reset. Click on the Start button, type in the student's last name or part of it, click on Next. You'll notice that I tried to type in a random name of a student. Your students must be enrolled in your classes, and now I typed in a student that this teacher has, and the student appeared. Click on Select, and that student's Ifninity password will then be reset. You'll be given their new password, share that with the student, and they can now get on. This ends the tutorial for this video segment of Ifninity. Again, as always, if you have any questions, please contact me, Renee Stroh-McClurg, at extension 5407, or Teresa Payne at extension 7024.